And Driscoll Children's Hospital has updated its visitation policy to ensure the health and safety of its patients, families, and staff there. Effective immediately, only one adult primary caregiver will be allowed per patient. Officials at the hospital prefer to have that same primary caregiver for the duration of the child's hospital stay. Other visitors, including siblings, will not be allowed to visit at this time. Again, this is to keep everyone safe and healthy. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this, you're being asked to call the Patient Relations Department. That number 361-694-4035.